What is going on, guys? Donovan here, and in today's video Mom and I are gonna test whether or not the differential that I installed changed the speedometer on my car, because it is not tuned for the differential. I have not touched it at all. So what's gonna happen is her and I are gonna set cruise control in each car. You're gonna have this view now. I'm wearing this dorky ass head mount, so excuse me here. And then I have this camera mounted on my mom's car. I put it here. It was a little scary. You get a lot of wind noise, but hopefully I put it in the boundary layer of the car so you get at least a little less noise. So her and I are going to do both 60 degree, or not 60 degrees, 30 miles per hour and 60 miles per hour. And we're gonna see if the differential changed my speedometer at all. Now, just for the record, I'm saying that it didn't change it at all. However, some people are worried that it might have, so we'll see. Can you hear me?
Yep, I'm going first.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna try 30 miles per hour here. I'm gonna slow down a little bit to see.
Okay.
So we're both doing 30. Oh, mine's at 32 right now. So I'm going 30 miles an hour. What does yours say?
30.
So you're pulling away from me just a little bit. Our cars have a little bit of variance, but it looks like mine was bouncing between like 32 and 30 miles an hour. And I feel like my mom's car was doing the same thing. So we might try that again. We're gonna try 30 miles an hour again, and we're gonna see what happens. So let's make sure this light turns green. And I'm setting mine to, let's see. Okay, setting it to 30 now. Are you at 30?
Yes.
Okay. So it doesn't look like we're moving at all. Oh, you're pulling up on me. I'm getting dragged by my mom. Oh no. Yeah, I mean, considering there's been such a variance between ours, you know, my speedometer has been jumping between 30 and like 31, 32. I'm assuming hers is doing the same. All right, guys, so this time we are going to try 60 miles per hour, because as you saw, there was a little difference in the 30, so my hypothesis may have been incorrect. And so we're gonna try 60, because I feel like if there was a difference, it would be more apparent at higher speeds. 60.
Okay, I'm set.
Okay, set yours. So this is 60 miles an hour. So my mom's pulling away from me a little bit again. All right, guys, so as you can see there, there was a difference. So I must have been wrong, and I'll be the first to admit it. Not sure exactly how or why. It may even be due to other factors, like as you saw, there was a variance in between like my speed, like what the car was doing. Like it would go between like 32 and 29 miles an hour. Not sure exactly why it was doing that. Guess I'll get it tuned and see if it does the same thing. And then I mean, yeah, wasn't a huge difference, and it seemed that she was pulling away at the same rate both times, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. It might not actually be attributed to the differential because it didn't seem to be a big enough difference, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you at all, please remember to click that subscribe button. This differential is a great mod, and if you haven't done it already, I recommend doing it. Very fun, peps the car up a good amount. And yeah, so anyways, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.